What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Fitment Industries Garage. I'm Sean, SeanB.fi on Instagram, and today we're going to be going over the most common questions that we get asked about coilovers. But before we dive headfirst into this, y'all best be hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already, and tell your friends about us. This channel has a ton of technical content that you will not find on the Fitment Industries main channel. And of course, don't forget to head over to fitmentindustries.com for all of your wheel, tire, and suspension needs. And while you're there, check out our blogs and add your car to the gallery. Let's get started. The first question on the list of questions is, are coilovers illegal? Now, we hear this one more than you would probably think, and the short answer is no. Coilovers themselves are not illegal. Now, there are height legalities that vary state by state and are mostly related to the measurements from the ground to your headlights. So could you adjust your ride height to a point where it becomes illegally low? Yes, but coilovers themselves will not get you a citation or get you banned from having insurance. The next question that we get asked a ton is, will coilovers void my factory warranty? And well, this one's kind of a weird one. Will it void your entire vehicle's warranty? No, but will it void your suspension components warranty? Yes. With that, unless you have a pretty solid relationship with the dealership that services your in-warranty vehicle, they may give you a hard time about it regardless. Otherwise, in any other case not related to your suspension, the manufacturer would have to prove that your coilovers caused the problem in order to deny a warranty claim based on coilovers. The third question asks, are coilovers and struts the same? Well, it's kind of a double-edged question, I guess. In a literal sense, no, a coilover by definition is referred to as a coil spring over a strut or shock as an assembly. So it's not a strut. It's the combination of spring and strut. But less literally, I suppose it could be in the fact that a coilover system does dampen as a strut. Let's go with no, a coilover is not a strut. Question 4, are coilovers hard to install? Well, I guess all things considered, no. Typically speaking, aftermarket coilovers are a much smaller package than factory units are, both in kind of your bulk and your height. However, this isn't to say that a particular vehicle doesn't have a difficult to service suspension configuration in the first place. You also have to consider your mechanical ability and problem solving skills. Research and tutorials are your friend here. Reading through someone else's step-by-step guide, probably with a tool list, will help set you up for success. Sometimes it sucks, but for the most part, it is pretty straightforward and easier than just a regular suspension service. Question 5, and the last question for the day is, are coilovers worth it? 99% of the time, coilovers are 110% worth it. Coilovers are a great way to improve performance and predictability of your car's handling. It's also a good way to refresh your suspension and even improve the aesthetics of your ride. Coilovers, being adjustable and all, can also add versatility to your vehicle, especially if you're switching wheels and tires one or more times a year. Whether that be for track days or for snow tires, the ability to adjust your ride height based on purpose, location, or season is a game changer. So what's the other 1% where it's not worth it? Well, some cars, especially modern ones, come factory with adjustable and dynamic suspension. And in a lot of cases, these systems are engineered so well that switching to a coilover will deliver little to no extra performance and sometimes maybe even downgrade. And you'd be getting rid of the features. So what are some questions you have about coilovers? Let me know in the comments. I try to respond to all of them, or maybe we'll even do a part 2 of this video if we see a bunch of the same concerns. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and tell your friends about us. This channel has a ton of technical content that you will not find on the Fitment Industries main channel. And of course, don't forget to head over to fitmentindustries.com for all of your wheel, tire, and suspension needs. While you're there, add your car to the gallery. We also started doing car reviews and covering all kinds of other technical stuff in our blog section. So make sure to check that stuff out as well. I'm Sean from Fitment Industries, SeanB.fi on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Deuces.